Hi everyone, welcome to this week's episode of Wild Wonders, where we explore the mysterious and fascinating world of wildlife. Today, we're going to talk about the owl, a bird that is often referred to as the ghost bird. But why is that? Well, I'll be answering that question and many more in this video, so stay tuned. Owls are known for their large, round heads and piercing, yellow eyes. They have a distinctive look that makes them easily recognizable, and also somewhat frightening to some people. But it's not just their appearance that makes them seem like ghostly creatures. Owls are nocturnal birds, meaning they are most active at night when it's dark and quiet. They are solitary creatures and are often seen hunting in the moonlight. This behavior makes them seem like ghostly apparitions, silently floating through the air on their silent wings. They also have excellent eyesight and can see in complete darkness, which adds to their mysterious reputation. Owls are known for their distinctive calls, which can be heard echoing through the forest at night. Some species have a haunting hoot, while others have a more sinister screech. These calls are often associated with bad omens and death, which only adds to the owl's ghostly reputation. In many cultures, the owl has been associated with death, wisdom, and the afterlife. In ancient Greece, the owl was a symbol of Athena, the goddess of wisdom, and was believed to be a protector of the dead. In Native American mythology, the owl is associated with the spirit world and is seen as a messenger between the living and the dead. This association with the supernatural and death only adds to the owl's reputation as a ghost bird. Despite its reputation as a ghost bird, the owl is a fascinating and important species. Owls play a vital role in the ecosystem, serving as predators and controlling populations of small mammals and insects. They are also important indicators of environmental health, and a decline in their populations can signal problems in the ecosystem. So there you have it, the reason why the owl is called the ghost bird. While it may seem frightening or ominous, the owl is a beautiful and fascinating species that plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Wild Wonders. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring the wild wonders of the world